इधर नेटवर्क हकता है भाई.
Guys, today we are going to react on horror Reddit.
स्टार्टिंग से करते हैं. रुक.
क्या फर्क पड़ता नहीं, बट ठीक है. हाँ guys, today we are going to react on horror Reddit stories. Let's get started.
Horror stories from Reddit. मैं हूँ
She is
आर्या.
okay बस
ये तो मत डालना ब्लॉग में.
डालूंगी.
ये तो
अच्छा.
मोस्ट टेरिफाइंग हॉरर
जिसको
स्टोरी फ्रॉम
दिखता नहीं है
Reddit.
मुझे,
ये वाली करो, इंडियन
जिनके
करो.
पास भी प्राइवेसी स्क्रीन गार्ड होगा गाइस, प्लीज तुम लोग अपना फोन फेंक दो. मैं तो बोलती हूँ मत भाई, महंगा है.
जा रहा है. रुक. इधर नेटवर्क
आएगा. मोस्ट हॉरर एवरेस्ट.
हॉरर रेस्ट डाला है मैंने. वुमन एट द डोर. ये अच्छा लग रहा है.
ओके. आर्या पढ़ेगी, ठीक है.
मैं
ठीक है, दोनों पढ़ते हैं.
मेरा इंग्लिश वीक है थोड़ा.
मैं ही भूत नहीं लगी. ओके.
तू स्टार्ट कर.
द वुमन एट द डोर, ठीक है. कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं ना, मतलब दिस हैपेंड टू मी इन 2024 इन अ स्मॉल टाउन इन वेस्ट बंगाल.
2014.
In West Bengal, I was 19, studying engineering, and had come home for Diwali break. We lived in a typical two-story house with an iron gate, small garden, and a narrow driveway leading up to the front door. The street is quiet. The street is quiet with only 4-5 houses nearby. One night, my parents had gone to visit a relative's house 2 hours away and were staying the night. I was alone. Around 11:30 p.m., I was watching a movie on my laptop with earphones in. When I had
When I heard the doorbell ring.
okay.
मैं पढ़ता हूँ.
ठीक है, अभी तू पढ़.
Okay. So the first
ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट था बाय द वे ऑफ द स्टोरी.
तो फिर ये
अगर-
बंदी घर पे अकेली है.
हाँ.
एंड हर पेरेंट्स आर आउट ऑफ टाउन.
एंड ऐसा टिपिकल घर है. टिपिकल.
And then she heard a first knock on the door. At first I thought I imagined it, but then it rang again. Ding dong.
ये डालू क्या इफेक्ट्स भी.
I paused the movie, took my earphones off, and listened. Nothing. I slowly walked to the main door. The lights outside were off. I switched on the porch light. Through the indoor switch, there was no one. I opened the main door, but kept the grill door locked. I looked around. Nothing. I even opened the gate and walked to the driveway. Checked near the garden. Silence. Slight wind, that's it. But why would she go outside, na, if it's horror?
वो ना कौन है. अरे कोई नहीं, घर पे जाके सो भाई. मुझे जब भी ऐसे डर लगता है ना, मैं ऐसे सावधान ऐसे सावधान में सोती हूँ मैं. कोई आएगा, मैं नहीं.
But if she's alone, why is she opening and going in the driveway in order to check?
Curiosity in people's mind is curious.
I thought it must have been the neighbor's bell or maybe kid playing a prank. I went back inside. She came again, 11:10 a.m. I went to the washroom. Just as I came out, the doorbell rang again. This time I felt uneasy. I didn't go immediately. I stood still frozen.
मतलब 2 बार आया क्या? बेल रिंग.
हाँ.
पर कोई था नहीं पहली बार जब बेल रिंग.
उसको लगा कि ये तो है पागल, प्रैंक कर रहा है.
फिर
It rang again. Ding dong, ding dong.
हॉरर स्टोरी है कि
A little more impatient this time. I walked slowly to the main door and asked, "कौन है?" A woman's voice replied, soft but clear, "बेटी please, थोड़ा पानी मिलेगा क्या?" Now the voice didn't sound threatening. It sounded old, almost broken. But something in me, instinct, screamed that something is very wrong.
अब मैं पढ़ूँ.
हाँ.
समथिंग इज वेरी रॉन्ग. किधर है? हाँ. I didn't respond. I looked through the peephole, and I swear to God, there was no one there. But the voice repeated, now slightly more desperate. प्यास लगी है बेटी, दरवाजा खोल दो. पर कोई है नहीं बाहर. समझ रही है?
That is crazy.
My chest felt tight. I didn't speak. I just slowly stepped back. 12:18 a.m. The light flickered.
No way, no way, no way. मुझे डर लग रहा है.
I turned off the porch light. Porch क्या बोलते हैं?
Porch light.
Porch light. From inside. The moment I did, the doorbell rang again. एक तो पहली बार इतना desperate ghost मैंने पहली बार देखा है.
For real.
Like immediately. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
3 बार बजाया.
Third ChatGPT giving us some sound effects. 3 times rapid. This time I shouted, whoever it is, go away. I am calling the police. Silence.
पुलिस आएगी ही नहीं.
Silence. Then, tup, tup, tup. The sound of nails. Tup, tup, tup. Sound of nails scratching on the grill door. कैसे? धीरे धीरे. Okay. It was knocking. It was banging. It was scratching. Then I heard her again, softly. दरवाजा खोल दो. सिर्फ 1 मिनट के लिए. Just open the door for 1 minute. ऐसा बोलना चाहती हूँ. That was it. I ran to my room, locked it, and called my dad. He picked up, and I told him everything. He sounded alarmed and said he would call our neighbor, Sharma uncle. Every Sharma uncle ever. Who lives just 2 houses away. I stayed locked in my room, sitting on my bed, with the lights off. अभी बजे है 12:35 a.m. Sharma uncle arrived. I am scared of the Sharma uncle.
है ना? What if he is the ghost?
Yeah. I heard a bike outside, then voices. I opened the window's curtain slightly and saw Sharma uncle and his son. They were flashing torches, checking the garden and the driveway. Nothing.
There is driveway in Indian houses also. That is crazy.
They called me out. I came out. Scared. Still shaking, and told them everything again. Sharma uncle said something that made my heart drop. बेटा, मैं और रोहन तो यहाँ 12:10 से बाहर ही बैठे थे. कोई भी अंदर नहीं आया. अरे मेरे को तेरे से डर लग रहा है.
No, but what if 12:10 से
शर्मा अंकल ही थे. बट और रोहन मतलब उनका बेटा रोहन शर्मा. डर लग रहा है मेरे को. अंदर ही बैठे थे. कोई भी अंदर नहीं आया.
This Rohan is also very sus.
वही. गेट तक कोई आया होता तो दिखता. We were sitting outside our home since 12:10. If someone had come down our lane, we would have seen them. They stayed with me until 1:30 a.m. I didn't sleep that night. The next morning, the footprints.
मुझे डर लग रहा है.
मतलब क्या हुआ बेसिकली कि उसके वो जो शर्मा अंकल है वो बोले कि वो बाहर ही बैठे थे कब से. बट उन्होंने कोई
But why are they sitting outside रात को?
वो भी 12:10 को ना.
12:10 is such a odd time. Weird time.
शर्मा अंकल.
Till next morning, the footprints. My parents returned the morning. I didn't want to scare my mom, so I told my dad privately. He asked me
जोर
to
से
show.
पढ़, आवाज नहीं जाएगा.
He asked me to show him where I'd gone outside that night. We walked toward the garden. That's when we saw it. Wet footprints, small, barefoot, as if someone had stepped in water and walked slowly from the gate to the front door. I just opened the door, no footprints returning. We followed the trail backwards. The gate had no prints on the outside. Okay, that's
मतलब
it.
वो अंदर ही है.
Shit, हाँ रे.
पर छोटे फुटप्रिंट कैसे?
छोटे फुटप्रिंट किधर?
छोटी बच्ची.
ऐसा नहीं
डर
करती.
लगता है मेरे को. फिर
What if ये prank है? It was as if she had appeared inside the gate, walked to the door and vanished. My dad called the local police the same day. He sprinkled
ऐसा बोल आगे.
He sprinkled Ganga Jal and did some small puja. Nothing happened after that. But to this day, I never stayed home alone again. The creepiest part, my grandma. A few days later, my dadi, who lives in the nearby village, came to visit. While having tea, she looked towards the door and casually asked, तुम्हारे यहाँ कोई बुढ़ी औरत आई थी क्या?
क्यों?
कल रात सपने में दरवाजा पे खड़ी थी सफेद साड़ी में, बोल रही थी पानी दो. What the hell? सच्ची
मेरे को
भाई,
मजा आ है भाई.
पानी दो. Damn.
पानी नहीं है घर पे, पानी नहीं है, पानी नहीं आता.
I dropped my cup. She described exactly what I had heard. Final thoughts. Till today, I don't know who or what she was. Was it a spirit stuck between worlds? Was it someone who died thirsty? Or far worse, pretending to be a human?
That's it guys. ये था हॉरर स्टोरी हम लोग का. मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी ये है कि अगर कोई पानी पूछे तो बोलना पानी नहीं है, चली जा.
चली जाओ.
चली जा. मेरे को भूकंप आ गया रे
भाई पर उसकी दादी को कैसे आया सपना में?
क्योंकि उसकी दादी थी वो, इसके लिए.
What if the दादी is the ghost? No.
Okay, love to all daddies.
Love to daddies. Love to my dad. Love to my daddy.
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Part 2 भी बनाएंगे इसका.
Part 2 for sure.
Part 2 incoming next time.
हम लोग और ढूंढेंगे अभी.
Bye.
अगर हम लोग ने घर पे बोला कि हम लोग को यूट्यूब हम लोग को ये पढ़ाई वढ़ाई नहीं करना है एंड सिर्फ पैसा कमाने के लिए यूट्यूब करना है, तो हम लोग को अलाउ करेंगे क्या? मेरे को तो नहीं करेंगे.
ये क्वेश्चन ही थोड़ा सा
क्योंकि हम लोग